Tropical storms, hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons. Tropical storms are large rotating storms. They form over water near the equator. They have different names depending upon the location in which they occur, but they are all the same weather phenomenon. Tropical storms are called hurricanes if they form in the North Atlantic or Northeast Pacific Oceans. They are called cyclones if they happen in the South Pacific or Indian Oceans. Typhoons are what they are called in the North Pacific. Tropical storms can occur at any time of year, but about 97% of them happen between the beginning of June and the end of November. This is because the ocean waters are warmer then. The ideal water temperature for this type of storm is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The warm seawater evaporates, clouds form. There also needs to be just the right amount of steady wind. If the conditions are right, the clouds start to spin because the earth is rotating. Hurricanes rotate counterclockwise because they are in the northern hemisphere. Cyclones and typhoons spin clockwise because they happen in the southern hemisphere. The center of the spinning cloud is called an eye. The average size of an eye is typically between 20 and 40 miles wide. Wind can spread out over 100 miles from the eye. The winds must be spinning at least 74 miles per hour to be a tropical storm. The majority of hurricanes die out over the water, but sometimes they reach land. When this happens, they bring heavy rain, strong winds, and large waves. Hurricanes can damage buildings, knock down power lines, and shred trees. They may also produce dangerous hail and cause flooding. Scientists can predict when these powerful storms will hit land. They use satellite imagery, special buoys and radars, and reconnaissance aircraft. Because people may be warned a few days before the storm, they usually have time to prepare. Many times, people in coastal areas board up their homes to limit the amount of damage. They are usually asked to evacuate and go somewhere safe. Each tropical storm that hits land can cause billions of dollars of damage. Many areas likely to be hit by hurricanes have building codes to help mitigate the damage. New buildings may require to have storm-resistant doors and windows. They may need to have a roof specially designed to stay securely in place. A university in Florida, an area which is often experiences hurricanes, has a hurricane simulator to help researchers study storms. More tropical storm protection products are likely to be produced.